Hi, my name is Megan from Redemption Plus, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Baytech Prize Hub. Locate your Prize Hub setup sheet. This sheet will indicate which product is to go into which location and also includes pricing information. We will show you how to program the pricing later on. Begin filling the machine with capsules. Fill each location up to the top without overfilling. Then place the corresponding header card in the outside slot. Next, we'll move on to filling the spindles. First, remove the ticket value bar. Then, fill the spindle completely with product. Repeat until you finish the entire row, and then replace the ticket value bar. Now we'll move on to filling the locker prizes. Open the main hub door and hold the menu button. This will open up the programming menu. Enter the diagnostics menu and then press Test Dispense. Key in the location, press the green button, and this will unlock the locker. Place your prize inside and shut the door. These doors will automatically lock after 30 seconds. Repeat this process until every locker is filled. Now that the machine is filled, it's time to move on to program the prize menu. Open the main hub door, hold the menu button until the programming menu opens. Select the prize menu. This is where you program the information to each location, including ticket value, quantity, and price. All of that information is located on your Prize Hub setup sheet. Selecting next location will bring you through capsules, then the spindles, then the lockers. You can select the previous location to move backwards, or select Go To Location to move to a specific location. Now we're ready to load the prize images. Stay in the prize menu. Locate the USB stick provided with your Prize Hub setup kit. Open the main hub door. Next to the menu button is a slot to insert the USB stick. Select the image for the location. This will bring up all of the images available on the USB stick. Select the image of the prize that corresponds to that location. You can reference your Prize Hub setup sheet to ensure that you're using the correct image. Select Go to Next Location to move through capsules, spindles, and then locker. Similar to the last process, you can select Previous Location to move backwards, or select Go To Location for a specific location. Now your Baytech Prize Hub is filled, programmed, and ready for your guests to enjoy.